Wrestle, bud, wrestle. No, small. Hey, Wisdom, man, let's go. Step up, let's go, get up.
Come on, Tanner, let's go.
Up. Nope, can't let him have that. Get your arms out in front of you. Get your arms out in front. Nope, turn. Turn!
Come on, Tanner, come on!
Keep turning, Minor! Up.
Turn on it!
Get you one. Step up. Hey, Minor, you gotta be quick, Minor. Don't sit there all day with that. Go. Go! You have the arm, turn, lock in.
That's locked in.
You're gonna put him in again. Tanner, let's get one here, bud. Let's go.
Let's go, Tanner. Let's go.
Quickly, grab a hand. If he sinks that leg in, grab that.
Let's go. Get up. Right there.
Go. Turn your hips. Up. Gotta get your arms free. You gotta get your arms free. There, work to your base and get out. Let's go, up. Gotta get up. You're out, step up and turn your hips. Good. Let's wrestle, Minor. Let's wrestle.
Yes.
Half. That half's there. Run it.
You gotta run it.
Short time, hold him. Pressure on his hips. Pressure on him. He wants up, let's go. Hey, we gotta explode. If he posts that leg in your thigh, grab his ankle and whip it out of there.
Let's go, Tanner.
Go. Grab his hands. Nope. It's too high. Grab his head on. Swim. Come on, we gotta move. Get that arm out. Gotta grab that leg. Keep that arm, bud. Get that leg free now. Nope, he's too high. Shake him off. Swim.
Get up.
Keep that arm.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Chop, put the pressure on him. Chop the arm, Tanner. Tight waist ankle, flatten him out. Stay behind his hips.
Keep pressure on him, Tanner.
Suck back.
On your toes, not your knees.
Go, chop. Flatten him out, behind his hips. Stay behind him. Chop. No.
Run it.
Heavy on his hips. Lift. There you go. Half. Stay behind his hips. Short time. 20 seconds. Behind his hips.
Half.
Power.
Half. Get a half.
Hey, we gotta move, bud. Tanner, you know what he wants to do. We got to move there.
Shannon, let's go.
Green's got to stay set, okay? Got to give me a chance to get on him, okay? Caution Green. You got to get to the stomach and don't come off the back wall, okay? Set, cover.
Go, go, hands, hands, hands. Go, go. There you go. You work, you work. You go, you go. He's tired. Tanner, he's tired, Tanner. Let's go.
Come on, Tanner, let's go.
Just wrestle, Tanner. Wrestle your match.